What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we will finally be drawing the 5 winners for my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. If you're new to my channel, you're not sure what's going on, because actually since last weekend there's like another 240 of you. That's amazing. Thank you so much for subscribing anytime, whether it's recently or from a long time ago. Thank you so much. I'm so happy with the growth of this channel. But anyways, last weekend, just to say thank you, I was like, hey, I want to offer up 5 awesome prizes for everybody, just as a way to say thank you to the community and everybody who's been interacting with me. If you're new to my channel, I like to do giveaways. I do a lot of giveaways. I also like to do knife reviews, knife overviews. I like to do unboxings. I like to do discussion topics, versus battles. On Saturdays, I have a series called Quest for the Perfect Budget Knife, and on Sundays, I have a series called The Knife Guy. If you like daily knife content and you want a chance to win cool prizes like these, this might be the channel for you. So go ahead and hit subscribe and make sure your notifications are set to all. Also, I am currently at 64 patrons. I have a goal of 70 patrons. What happens at the 70 patron mark? I'm going to be doing a free-to-enter giveaway for this awesome Lion Steel ROK aluminum integral. That's right, this is an integral knife, red aluminum, really awesome. M390 has the lock bar stabilizer that's also the lock bar lock, so you can actually lock the blade out in the open position. Pretty cool. It's also got a steel lock bar insert running on bearings, has a detachable flipper, and then it also has a retractable pocket clip, so it sits nice and flush up against the frame. Brand new, comes with its box. The moment that we hit 70 patrons, I'm going to be opening up a giveaway for everybody, not just patrons, not even just subscribers. Literally everybody who's paying attention. Though I will say it is helpful to be subscribed and have your notifications set to all so that you know when that day comes. If you'd like to help support my channel and help me reach that goal at the same time, follow the link down in the description to my Patreon. You can have a look around, and then if you'd like to support me, you can literally join any tier, even the $1 tier. It counts. Anyways, I'm sure you guys are like, let's get to the prizes. I want to see if I won. All right. We're going to be using what we always use, which is Comment Picker. I have the link set up here. Sorry, slow iPad. Go ahead and paste that there. I'll give you guys a look at that. If anybody wants to check that link and make sure that it actually links to the right video, you're welcome to do that. Just wanted to make it clear for anybody who wants to. But anyways, how this is going to work is I'm going to punch the Get YouTube Comments button right here, and what this does is it gets me all the unique comments from that video. That means anybody who commented more than once, they only get entered once, so it's only going to get unique comments. And then once I have that, I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to click this button underneath where it says Start Raffle. To be clear, this is not a raffle because you didn't actually have to pay anything to enter. That's just how this website has it worded. This is free to enter, as all of my giveaways will always be. You will never be incentivized, to join anything or give anything in order to be entered. They'll always be free. So to recap the prizes again before we click that button, 5th place we have this Damned Designs little poison bottle. This is a lanyard bead, really cool little lanyard bead. Has a lot of room for lanyard knots or however you guys like to do your lanyards. Really cool, love that thing. 4th place is going to be the Graham from Damned Designs. This is a little single finger knuck. Cool little tumbled titanium EDC item. Has a little lanyard hole in there. Just awesome. Barely weighs anything because it's titanium. Really cool. Both of those will come with their little carry pouches. The 3rd place prize is going to be the CRKT Tie-Tac 2, which has got to be the most fidgety budget knife that I have ever handled. I mean, this is just awesome. This knife was donated to the channel by Joe Frazier. Thank you so much. That'll come with its original box. Next up, 2nd place prize is going to be the Robust Real Steel Control. This is an awesome knife that will certainly serve anybody well, whether you just EDC it for regular stuff, or you're going to actually go out and really beat on this thing. We have a steel frame lock. Nice chamfering, nice fit and finish all the way around. D2 blade, nice robust blade style and stock. Just an awesome knife. I mean, this would be a great outdoor work knife. This was donated to the channel by Shaker MT, so thank you so much, Shaker MT. That's a gentleman who gives a lot to this channel. I really appreciate that. And the 1st place prize, I'm sure everybody's really excited about this. This is the Spyderco Native Chief, coming in at over 9 inches, like 9.25, 9.3 inches overall. Nice big flat ground blade, very pokey blade. CPM S30V, made in Golden, Colorado, USA Earth. You can see right there. Eric and Sal Glesser both being the designers there. Peel-Ply G10 scales, got a nice lock back, fully ambidextrous, meaning left or right-handed people can enjoy this. This is a fantastic knife. Comes with its original box and packaging. None of this stuff has been used. It's all brand new, so you'll be receiving a brand new item. Just to recap, if you win, I'm going to give you 1 week to respond to me. I'm going to try and comment to you to let you know well before this video goes up if you won. That way you've got a head start chance to comment to me. Please don't send me an email if you didn't win. I have a way of knowing exactly who won, so don't do that. People are pretty good about it. I just wanted to point that out. Also, you have to be at least 18 years of age to enter and actually win. So please make sure you're at least 18. You also need to be able to provide me with a shipping address inside the continental United States. I know that I say this every single time. I'm not trying to exclude anybody. That's so that the insurance that I apply to the package will actually ensure that it gets there. If it were to leave the United States, I can't ensure that it actually gets there, and that's my worst fear. So in the event that the insurance fails, I can try again when it's within the United States. If you don't live in the United States, that's fine. You can still enter and win. You just need to be able to provide me with an address of a friend or a family member or somebody from the knife community that you really trust. Once it gets to them, they can ship it to you if they want to. I'm perfectly okay with that. So anyways, let's go ahead and click Get YouTube Comments here and find out how many comments were on that video. There were a lot of you. Well over, I think over 396 unique commenters. So definitely a few of you. Last I checked, there were 415 comments. So a few of you commented a couple of times. That's why we use this website. That's fine. I'm sure it wasn't on purpose. It's just people having conversations. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to hit start and draw the 5th place winner first. That's for the Damn Designs poison bottle lanyard bead there. So 5th place winner goes to Rusty News Now Nor Cal, I guess is the whole name. And I think I asked people to comment like what, they could say whatever they want. I wanted to kind of know what their favorite portion of my content was. So we said, MC, you're the reason I purchased the Spyderco Shaman, a knife I love. I like your series on Knife Guy. I also like that you don't do reviews on knives you don't like. Hey, that's awesome, man. I'm really glad that you picked up a Shaman. I think that's an awesome knife. But congratulations, you won the titanium lanyard bead from Damn Designs. We're gonna go ahead and pick the next winner for 4th place, and this is the titanium Graham Nuck. Go ahead and pick another one here. And 4th place winner goes to is it Geomusk or Gyomusk? I'm not really sure. He said, I like all of your content, but my favorite has to be the unboxings. I was hoping to learn something like from this information, but it's like you guys all like an average of everything, so that's great. Geomusk or Gyomusk, you are the winner of the titanium Nuck from Damn Designs, so congratulations. Moving on now to 3rd place for the CRKT Tytac 2. Go ahead and hit start here. Here we go. 3rd place winner. Are we freezing? Nope. We're still going. Damian Hughes. Moving on up, Mr. Complex. I like the unboxing and reviews best. I also like some of the philosophy style videos. Best EDC steel, best blade shape, etc. Hey, I have a lot of fun doing those. Thank you so much. I'm really glad that you enjoy those. Damian Hughes, you are the winner of the CRKT Tytac 2. Enjoy this one, my friend. It is an absolute pleasure to fiddle with. Let's go ahead and draw for the 2nd place. That's going to be the Real Steel Control. This website's kind of slowing down a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't freeze on me again. 2nd place winner for Real Steel Control, John Gordon. My favorite videos are the Quest videos and the top 5, of course. I watched your very first video just a short time ago. Good to see your growth in the channel. I use my Hinderer knife to pound nails on my house because they can't cut it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I read that on camera. That is funny. John Gordon, you have won the Real Steel control. Perhaps this would be a knife that would make you feel less bad about pounding nails into your house. Oh my gosh. Congratulations, Mr. John Gordon. That was amazing. Okay, it's time to pick the first place winner, the person who's going to be receiving the Spyderco Native Chief. Drum roll. Okay, let's just do it. Here we go. First place winner, Spyderco Native Chief, goes to Brett Sanders. Congratulations on 5K. I'm looking forward to seeing what your perfect budget knife is. So am I, Brett Sanders. I'm glad you're enjoying that series. That's awesome. So congratulations to all the winners. Winners, I will leave my email address in the description of this video so that you guys can contact me, but I'll also say it right here. Please contact me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com with your shipping information. You have exactly 1 week to claim your prize. Otherwise, next Saturday, I'll be drawing winners for anybody who didn't claim the prizes. I should be able to get everything shipped out. I'm going to try to do it all at the same time. So as soon as everybody emails me and claims things and I've got everybody's packed up and ready to go, I'll go ahead and ship those out. That's going to be pretty much it for today's video, guys. But of course, there's more content coming tomorrow and every single day after that. So thank you again to everybody who has supported me, liked my videos, who's been commenting, subscribing, people who have been supporting me on Patreon, people who have donated gifts to the channel, people who have lent me their knives. Thank you so much. I said a bunch of thank yous in last week's video, but I just wanted to make sure everybody knew. Thank you. There are definitely more giveaways coming. Rest assured, that will be a regular thing on this channel. I absolutely love doing giveaways. This is such a blast. That's, like I said, though, that's going to be pretty much it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.